Alright folks, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today 20th June, Thursday night, and let's take a look at the market condition, see what market look like. Alright, so we start the disclaimer. This video audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice, nor I recommend to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Also, make sure do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very risky, folks. You could blow up your account. All right, so what do you see here technical now? This is the daily chart, folks, right here. MACD looking bullish, little curling, still bulls are in control right here, but we got a engulfing bearish candle coming in right at the 550s. That's the psychological number, and we have tomorrow Friday option expiry code which, right? That's the code which month, which is second quarter of the year, right? Second quarter of the second quarter of the year, code witching month option expiry, which is on Friday tomorrow. Means there are a lot of monthly and quarterly options people buy, and probably that could be one of them. So there is a chances that market has been going up and up since 495. Now we are at 550, correct? So how far did we go up from here to here? So these people took it the market to almost 11% since April, right here, from this to this all the way at the top. Almost 11.4% market went up. Okay, so that is a lot of movement pretty much within that the small time period. So do I expect market to go up, folks? Whenever market reached 550, it's a psychological number, so I'm expecting maybe, because everything is overbought, and that is the reason we had a one bull cycle, second bull cycle. Now expect market to pull back. Okay, that's what I think. That is one reason, and then second reason we already discussed about the code witching month. That could be another reason. So let's see whatever market does it here. You know what, let me go back. This is daily chart. I don't want to mess around here. That's okay. This is all nice and bullish here, but let's look into little smaller time frame. Okay, so what do you see in a smaller time frame? This is 30-minute charts. 30-minute charts. Okay, MACD now enter into bear territory, means the conditions are bearish in 30 minutes. Now the support, folks, yesterday we discussed that this is the major support, right? Look at the 1, 2 and 3 days. Today we broke the support, and then we bounced, and market came back to the channel right here, channel. Now still we be back in the channel which we discussed yesterday, and now what market is doing is testing the support. If you see tomorrow, folks, support breaks this right here. So if you see tomorrow this resistance, be careful, that could be a good shot. If the market go and test this area 548, that could be opportunity tomorrow to short the market. Okay, just to give you heads up, you have to look for the rejection. Okay, and most likely that could be the opportunity that I will see. If I see something, and I will say if I see tomorrow. All right, so this is opportunity. Now remember, if market goes up, what if market goes down straight away? Then possibility this is your support, because we already broke the support once, and second time support break. That means that also telling that, hey, market could go lower and we could test this. Why? Because look at that, there's a empty pocket, folks. Okay, right here, but we already did that in this area right here, but chances are getting here right here. This is a sloping support, so somewhere around here 543.90. if the support 546.50, this area support breaks, we will be going lower. Okay, most likely we broke the cloud, now trying to bounce, so expect a bounce and then rejection and then go lower. That's what I think. Why? Because MACD in a bear territory, and this is 30-minute chart, so most likely tomorrow any bounce, good decent bounce, that could have a good rejection. Okay, that could, if remember, there's always if they have a rejection, it's a good shot. So we look for in that. Okay, so that's your 30-minute charts. I mean 1 hour charts and all, they will look a little bullish because still they are, today, I mean Friday coming in. That's why we need to look at a smaller time frame. If you look at the 4 hour charts, a little bearish here, but conditions are still bullish. Everything looking bullish on 4 hour and daily charts. Okay, so there is nothing major weakness here. Okay folks, no, not major weakness, but tomorrow market, if they really flush, then market on a 4 hour chart and daily chart, you might see some weakness coming in, and then we could test this area right here, because market trying to go up, we test the cloud and then bounce something, whatever they will do, we'll see. But right here, this is your rejection coming in here. We just started, but conditions are bullish, so any strong pullback, market might find the buyer. Remember that. Okay, that possibilities are there. Let's see next week, but right now, tomorrow, I think the bear side we need to look if any good bounce. Let's see tomorrow. Okay, so that's your SPY we already looked into. Now we're gonna go and look into QQQ. To the same thing. The daily chart is bullish, but got to go back to the smaller time frame. QQQ. Alrighty, QQQ, boom, boom, boom. QQ got a lot of weakness today, right? You saw that. Let me get rid of a few things so we can see better way. This is 4 hour. I need to go 30-minute charts. Alright, so QQQ sitting right here, as we discussed yesterday. That QQQ support is right here, and that's where we just trying to testing 480 right here, and market broke the cloud. And tomorrow, if you see folks, QQQ right around here, that could be a good shot. If QQQ test this, right, 484 right here, and then you might see a rejection anywhere, 480, 480 right here. Okay, just to give you anywhere, it doesn't mean to be a exact 4, but that's the range. If you see rejection, we could be a good shot. Why? Because MACD already in bad territory, man. This is a golden opportunity if that short side. Okay, but you need to wait until the bounce finish, rejection starts, then. Okay, so this is how people want to trade. This is something like that. You have to do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade, folks. Okay, but this is how I would do if I have to do tomorrow Friday option expiry, and probably that could happen also. Now the bull side. So bull side scenario, we 480, 432, and then rejection bear side, then we 480. So this is where market could go, and then if really flush tomorrow market, right? If really flush, $479, and then this area right here. Alright, this is, so I would love QQQ tomorrow, folks. Okay, if anybody wants to short, if there's something rejection starts. Okay, so these are the area to watch. Keep these things, take a screenshot and use it. See whenever things are happening tomorrow. If you watch, keep eyes on it. Right, if it's happening, man, you could be great. All right. So see where are the rejection comes. That's your QQQ. Let's look at the IWM. Look at that, man. IWM, we went up there 202 right here today morning. Remember yesterday we discussed, so yes, we were here, divergence created and pull back, and we are back to 200. Same thing in the middle right here. So IWM was bullish versus QQQ. So now IWM in the middle right here, MACD in a bad territory, bears in control. So if any bounce, same thing, you could have a short. So if you see anything like this tomorrow, QQQ, then we could go and test back. Very tight range, nothing much here, folks. You want IWM to break this support in order to go down. So it's very smaller range. So if you rejection right now, testing the cloud, bounce, rejection, then I would go short. Okay, I would not go long on this IWM. Okay, I would prefer to on a short side, because make all the SPY, QQQ and IWM 30-minute charts, all of them are in a bear territory. So I would prefer to on a short side than the long side. Long side is just let the market, you need the wind direction. That's why I choose the wind direction, south side. So I would always wait for the rejection at the top, if any bounce. All right, that's what I would think. Then Tesla. So Tesla is now back in the territory. Tesla was looking bullish, but market is bearish. Is building the wedge, right? Tesla. This is 30-minute chart. So if either one of them need to break, so the pennant building right there, we should be breaking downside, folks, because the pennant started from the top, right? So we might break, we might test and go down. This is 30 minutes. You have a solid demand zone too right here, folks. Okay, no need to forget this. So technical looking bearish, but your demand zone is at 180. Yeah, 180. So they might fake if they want to fake it out at here and then bounce. Fake means it's a small 175, 176 area and then bounce, and then could go higher here, because Tesla doesn't have a solid weakness, folks. That's why, because it's in a bullish scenario right now. Tesla looking okay, just a rejection, that's why. So we'll see, but right now Tesla has a sloping resistance. We got to watch tomorrow, Friday. You need Tesla to in a market to be bullish in order to go up, Tesla. Okay, so let's see next week what happened, but this week look like, no, I'm sorry, this tomorrow. I'm looking at tomorrow. We are at the pennant creating, market creating. So in this range, you got to look for the range. 30 minutes. You see this range. You want 180 to break downward in order to short, right? In between here, if it is bounce, then good. You can go. It could go to this area, which would be 186. So mostly, if trying to bounce, it's gonna go to 186, right? 186 area. That's long side, and if this breaks, then 176 is the short side. Okay, that's what I will look into, this pennant. Let's see tomorrow if they bounce, that this is the area. Then we have rejection, then we could go lower, right, because of the pennant. So plan accordingly on Tesla. Today NVIDIA. The NVIDIA got a rejection right here on 30 minutes, big time rejection right here, right, making in a bad territory. And look at that. So I think we have a strong support here, folks, on an NVIDIA. That support, if they break the support, we might go and test. Some point of time, we might test this, folks, okay? Right, this area to watch. If support breaks, this is the range to go, because bears are lining up. Solid bears are there, okay? Solid bears are there, making in a bear territory. But they took it down today a lot. That's why. All right. A lot of people are bullish. So NVIDIA is. Look at the. Now we are at a critical stage. You want to make sure, you know, this is a stronger support. We need to break the support. Then only I would short, which is $5. Sometimes they break and fake and bounce. It happens that too. So you got to watch tomorrow, see what market maker do, because the support is strong to watch. Right, that's why sitting most likely is bearish, right? Because a lot of people have a lot of profit on NVIDIA. That's why. So watch that. Microsoft. So a lot of mega cap stocks, folks. Remember, they overbought. That's the reason. Market right now on a sell mode. Microsoft is 446. Okay. So what you need to look for is this area. Microsoft, if the pennant, Tesla and all the stocks are creating the pennant right here. So in this case, if you see Microsoft rejection here, folks, that could be a good shot. If market bounce and you see a rejection on this upward area, right, then you can easily see this area coming back tomorrow. So you want market to bounce tomorrow, folks, okay? Then you can see 442 on Microsoft, okay? That's what I would look into it. So bull side, bear side, okay? Apple. Look, folks, remember Apple, what we discussed is same thing. 220, 207. This is, they're taking slowly down, slowly up, like that. So Tomorrow if the DJ wants to play music, they might bounce from here a little bit, right? They might break little bit and then bounce, something like that they could do. You got to think about it. Just like that over here going up, same thing. A lot of bears. If it is a bear, they could lose money. So you want to watch tomorrow here and then look for this area. So I would prefer to be on Apple long side if there is a bounce. If this support breaks, then forget about the long side, and there's a huge gap, not the gap but right there, then they could go a little lower because a lot of people have bullishness. Possibilities are there. So Apple might go to this area also. But before they go, this is the support to watch. Keep eyes on it tomorrow because we are sitting at the support zone, remember. So let's see what our market does. These are the area to watch for Apple if this support breaks, because on a 5-minute chart, that's why 45 minute, let me see. So we got a diversion, rejection, MACD in the bear territory. Yep. So this is 45-minute chart is bearish. 1 hour chart is bearish. Yeah, so we might you never know, man. We might break this one, folks. Okay, look like we might. And let's see. The support is there to break. So keep eyes on it. So that's what I say, folks. Tomorrow, if you see any good bounce, right, and then rejection comes, they could flush all the bull. They could trap the bulls and then dump. And that's what if the market maker do tomorrow, man, we could print money. All right. So this is what I think. And look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin was little bearish. We are still testing the same territory. Nothing much, folks. Is they want to hang in here at the demand zone, which is for $65,000, right there, and now pushing down. So MACD is still bearish. Bears are in control, but not flushing anything like that. So I think Friday, tomorrow might break the support. I think might. Okay, let's see. I know the conditions, but we are testing first time, so you might. I don't see yet bounce. We need a bounce, man. This is supposed to bounce here, and we need one bounce before we go up. So we need a little bounce, rejection, and then we could go lower right here. We should be some point of time, folks. We should be going here. We should be going here in order to go up. Okay. So right now we are testing this area. It's critical. Look at this. 3 days we spent around here. So we might be some point of time. Okay. So plan accordingly. Okay. So that's about it, folks. Today, let's see tomorrow, Friday, folks. One more important part. Tomorrow, my son is graduating from high school. So we have a graduation day tomorrow. So I'll be going, around 11, 12 o'clock. I'll be leaving, and then I'll be gone for a few hours. Right, at least 2 to 3 hours I'll be gone, folks. Okay, so I might come back, try my best to come back at 3:30 if I could, but I will see if I could come back. I'll let you know. But yeah, tomorrow graduation day, we'll be clicking a lot of pictures also, so it's kind of busy. All right, so let's see. I will keep the live stream on if people want it, but just to give you. All right, see you guys tomorrow morning 9:30. Thanks.